Hi, friends. Welcome back to our series of sessions on advanced manufacturing. Today, we shall discuss on sustainable design from option to obligation. We all have seen sustainable design has rapidly shifted from a nice to have feature to have a non-negotiable pillar of modern product development. Forward-thinking companies are realizing that designing the sustainability in mind isn't just good for the planet, it's a smart business strategy that is required. From lowering costs and meeting evolving regulations to attracting eco-conscious consumers, sustainable design is transforming how we create, manufacture, and consume. But what truly defines sustainable design is what matters. How can organizations embed environmental responsibility into the processes without compromising quality or profitability? And why does it matter now more than ever? So this video explores these questions and more, offering a clear overview of sustainable design principles, real-world examples across industries, and how digital transformation is enabling more responsible, efficient, and future-ready product development. So now let's understand what is sustainable design. By definition, sustainable design is a holistic approach to engineering and product development that aims to minimize negative environmental impacts through efficiency and thoughtful use of resources throughout the life cycle. To understand this better, let us break down the core principles of sustainable product design. And the first foremost is the life cycle thinking. Consider the full environmental impact of a product across its entire life cycle: raw material extraction, manufacturing, distribution, use, and end use of life. Decisions at each stage should aim to reduce harm and maximize efficiency. Next is the resource efficiency, designed with minimal use of energy, water, and raw materials. Optimized for lightweighting, reduce part counts, and efficient process that decrease waste and emissions. The third one is durability and longevity. Create products that last longer and perform reliable over time. Designed for robust use cases, easy maintenance, and resistance to wear and obsolescence. Next one is the circularity. We also call it as a circular economy, enabling reuse, remanufacturing, refurbishment, and recycling. Products should be designed for disassembly and made from materials that can re-enter the value chain after use. Use of sustainable materials is another factor which is very important. Basically, by selecting materials with lower environmental impact, such as recycled, biodegradable, or renewable resources. Avoid toxic or hard to recycle substances. Then design for energy efficiency, ensuring that products consume minimal energy during their operation. Consider energy sources, insulation, control systems, and integration with energy saving technologies. Human health and well-being is another very important factor, which protects the health and safety of users by avoiding harmful substances, enhancing ergonomics, and designing for indoor environmental quality, example, air, light, and acoustics. Innovation and systems thinking. This gives the point why systems thinking for sustainability really matter. By adopting systems-based view of design that recognizes the interconnectedness of environmental, economic, and social factors. Encourage creativity in developing new solutions that challenge conventional design models. Transparency and communication is another factor which provide clear information about the sustainability of products through labels, certifications, and accessible documentation and social media. This empowers informed decision making for both consumers and stakeholders. And finally, the continuous improvement, because sustainability is a moving target. Continuously evaluate and refine design strategies using data, feedback, and new insights to enhance environmental performance over time. So these principles form the bedrock of sustainable design, yet their swift integration across industries signals a deeper shift, one where environmental stewardship and business performance are no longer opposing forces, but mutually reinforcing drivers of innovation and growth. Now let's see why sustainable design really matters. Why companies are embracing sustainable design. Three powerful forces are accelerating the shift towards sustainable growth. the environmental imperative. The global ecological crisis is no longer a distant concern. Climate change, biodiversity loss, and resource scarcity demand a fundamental rethinking of how we design, develop, and manufacture products. Sustainability is becoming a baseline expectation, not an optional add on anymore. The second one is shifting consumer and market expectations. Today's consumers increasingly seek products that reflect their environmental values and they are willing to invest in them. This shift extends beyond the individuals, corporations, our governments, and institutional buyers now prioritize sustainability in procurement, making it a key determinant of market access, brand reputation, and long term relevance. The third one is strategic business advantage. Sustainable design isn't just ethically sound, it's economically smart. Companies that embed sustainability into their design process often benefit from lower production costs, reduced exposure to volatile material prices, and stronger resilience to tightening environmental regulations. Early adopters are not only mitigating risk, they are unlocking new growth opportunities in a rapidly evolving, eco conscious marketplace. Let's see the benefits of this sustainable design. As we have discussed, sustainable product design goes beyond environmental responsibility. It delivers meaningful advantages across the entire business and product lifecycle. When companies integrate sustainability goals early in the product development process, numerous benefits can be exemplified. Environmental impact reduction. Designing with sustainability in mind results in lower carbon emissions, reduced waste, and more efficient use of materials and energy. By applying life cycle thinking, businesses can minimize environmental harm at every stage of the product's development, from raw material sourcing to end of life disposal. Compliance and risk management. Sustainable product design helps companies stay ahead of regulatory requirements related to emissions, material restrictions, energy use, and product take backlogs. It reduces exposure to compliance risks and prepares businesses for future regulatory changes. Resource efficient cost efficiency is another very important factor where design can reduce material usage, minimize production waste, and lower energy consumption. Over time, these efficiencies lead to significant cost savings, especially when implemented at scale. Enhanced brand reputation and market appeal. Consumers and business buyers increasingly prefer brands that demonstrate a commitment to sustainability. Sustainable design can be a key differentiator, enhancing brand value and building long term customer reality. Sustainability goals often prompt new approaches to design, product innovation, material selection, and manufacture. This fosters innovation, helping companies discover new techniques, technologies, or business models that can be applied more broadly. The extended product lifespan and value. Designing products for durability, repeatability, repairability, and modularity increases their usefulness of life. This adds long term value for customers while reducing waste and the need for frequent replacements. Supply chain resilience. Sustainable sourcing and circular supply strategies reduce dependence on limited or volatile raw materials. This builds a more stable and adaptable supply chain in the face of environmental and geopolitical disruptions. Sustainable design can open new markets, giving the competitive advantage, qualify businesses for sustainability, focused procurement opportunities, and meet the environmentally sustainable goal expectations of investors and stakeholders. Employees are more engaged when they work for organizations that align with their values. Participating in sustainable innovation can be a source of motivation and pride of design, engineering, and product teams. Sustainable design is forward looking, long term business resilience. It helps companies future proof their product strategies against changing market regularity and resource conditions, ensuring they remain competitive over long term. Then is the examples of, if you see some of the examples of sustainable design in practice, sustainable design transcends theory, delivering measurable impact across every industrial sector. From consumer electronics to heavy machinery, companies are proving that environmentally conscious design can drive innovation while creating business value. Here are key strategies that demonstrates this approach in action. Number one is modular design. Products engineered with standardized interchangeable components easy enable repairs, upgrades, and parts replacement. This approach extends product life while reducing waste and maintenance costs. Examples include professional grade furniture systems, modern electronics with replaceable components, and industrial machinery with modular subsystems. Next one is materials innovation. The strategic material selection creates opportunities for environmental improvement. In terms of biodegradable packaging solutions, recycled content in construction materials, rapidly renewable resource in textile manufacturing, and non-toxic alternatives to traditional materials. Next one is the performance optimization, which brings in the lightweighting, reducing the material mass in automotive or aerospace components to improve fuel efficiency, energy efficient appliances that lower operational costs, watermark smart systems for industrial processes or consumer goods that minimize consumption through innovative reuse features. Finally, design for circularity is also very important because the products engineered for their entire life cycle. Easy disassembly for efficient recycling, components designed for manufacturing, materials selected for recyclability, and repair-friendly construction methods. So these practices demonstrate that sustainability design elevates product development rather than constraining it. By integrating environmental considerations from the start, companies are creating solutions that benefit both business and the planet. That's what are the takeaways from this video. Thank you for